everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video I will show you my top 5 tips for cosplay beginners. So if you want to start cosplay and don't know how or where to start, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's start. Tip number 1, eyeliner, lashes, and contacts. So I'm not saying that it's necessarily to have these things in your cosplay, but they make such a huge difference. It's crazy. If you look at my older pictures, yeah, I didn't use any of these things, and when you look at my newer one, you can see a difference, I hope. So yeah, if you use them more often, you will get the hang of it and you can apply them more easily. Trust me, practice is key. So keep on practicing to put on contacts, maybe lashes, maybe train your eyeliner, try out new things, and then your cosplay will eventually also improve. If you want to buy some contacts but you don't know where to get them from, here are my top 3 shops where I get my contacts from. First is Uniqso, then Pinky Paradise, and TwT If. I said it wrong in my last video, and people kept saying that I pronounced their names wrong. So I'm really sorry for that. I hope I pronounce it right this time. But those 3 shops are amazing. So yeah, and if you want to buy from these shops, make sure to use my codes. So I will link them in the description below. And if you use my codes, not only will you get 10% off your order, but I will get a little bit out of it as well. So thank you so much for supporting me if you buy contacts with my codes. Tip number 2, don't compare yourself to other cosplayers. We've all been there. We were all like, oh, I've done this character, but this cosplayer did a much better job at it. No, don't do that. That's bad. No, 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 no. This does not help you, and you will only get sad and you lose your interest in cosplay because you think you're not good enough or you just can't do it. And that is totally false. Everyone can cosplay. There's no right or wrong way to cosplay a certain character. If you compare yourself to others, you will get a negative mindset, and that is not good. Me personally, I get comments on my videos or on my Instagram posts which are like, oh, I've done a cosplay of this character too, but yours is so much better than mine, or mine is so much worse than yours, which isn't a compliment for me. It puts me in a situation where I'm like, wow, I affect this person in a negative way and I don't want that, so what should I answer? So don't do that. It's just keep focusing on yourself, repeat to cosplay characters that you have done, and then you will see an improvement. Tip number 3, finding good websites to buy cosplays. If you start out, it's good to know where you can get cosplays, or I recommend buying cosplays rather than doing them yourself. I mean, if you can sew and you can do that, then go for it. Sew your cosplay, but I can't sew, so I personally even buy my cosplays to this day. Even if you cosplay for a long time, buying cosplays is the easiest, maybe the cheapest, I don't know, it depends on the shop where you're buying from, and it's overall easier to cosplay that way. Here are some shops that I recommend. I personally get my cosplays from Roll Cosplay and Make Costumes, and those shops are great. The quality is great, the shipping is pretty fast. I live in Germany. I don't know what it's for you if you live somewhere else. Maybe it's even faster. I don't know, but the shipping is pretty fast. And just the price is pretty good. I think it's not too expensive. It's not too cheap. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I got my Mikan Tsumiki cosplay from Roll Cosplay and my Lady Ciel cosplay from Make Costumes. And I'm currently waiting for my Celestia Ludenberg cosplay from Make Costumes. I hope it will arrive soon. Tip number 4, Closet Cosplays. It's not really a beginner tip because I still do that. I do that all the time. and it's Closet Cosplays. Now you might wonder, or you might ask, what in the heckaroonie is a closet cosplay? Or what is that? It's simple. Closet cosplays are cosplays that you just put together out of your wardrobe. You look into your closet, pick out some clothes that you may think would fit the character that you want to cosplay, and you just throw them on. Maybe do a hair accessory that you just quickly do out of cardboard or foam, or you draw, and yeah. The majority of my cosplays are closet cosplays because I'm still a minor. I mean, I do work and get my own money, but my parents still won't allow me to buy like 6 cosplays in a month. So I still do a lot of my cosplays in closet cosplay form. For example, here, here, and here. The list goes on. I've made so many closet cosplays. And for some, you can even do like OC cosplays or cosplays that are pretty simple, like Kira or Frisk from Undertale, or Among Us characters, which I've done in the past, which are... the possibilities are endless. Tip number 5, practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key. If you start out cosplaying and you start doing your makeup, which maybe you haven't done before that much, like me, I personally didn't put any makeup on ever. I didn't do my makeup in school. I didn't do my makeup when I went out. I basically never did my makeup. That was just a whole new world for me. So you just have to keep practicing, take your time, don't rush yourself, because if you rush yourself, you're not gonna get anywhere soon. Trust me. Watch YouTube tutorials, maybe even my cosplay tutorials. Only if you want to, I mean. The links are in the description below if you want to check them out. I only have 2, but it's better than nothing. And yeah, just try out new things, experiment, change your style often, your makeup style. And once you find your style that you like, perfect it. Like, I have a really unique style, I would say, with cosplay makeup. I mean, a lot of people do like the bigger eye thing, but I didn't see many people that do like the 3 big ones and the small lashes, so points for me for being original, I guess. You try my style out, try other cosplayer styles out, but if you do and post them, please credit the cosplayers that you inspired your makeup from. I'm gonna put one more extra tip or like one side note to this video because I think that's very important, and that cosplay is for everyone. Whether you're 12, 13, or like in your 20s or 30s, it doesn't matter. You can cosplay. Don't let people tell you otherwise. Your skin color, your eye color, your height, your hair color, it doesn't matter. If you're a boy or a girl or identify as something else, you still can cosplay. Many people think that cosplay is just a girl's thing. No, it isn't. Or have you never seen a male character in a movie, a TV show, a series, a book, a game? See? So if you want to cosplay, do it. Alright, those were my 5 tips plus one side note. I really hope they helped you out a little bit, and even if one person decides to start cosplaying after this video, I will be super thankful. Everyone is welcome to join our cosplay community. And yeah, if you like this video, then please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It would really help me out a lot. And if you're interested in seeing more cosplay pictures or videos of this specific cosplay, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. The links are in the description below. Alright, that's it for me, and I really hope you have a great day. Goodbye!